Namaskar. Welcome again on Aspiration. Pandit Ashim Bandhu Bhattacharya, Ashimda, Pranam. So, it's my pleasure that Ashimda also has given his time to come and discuss with this topic, establishment and sustainability of a male dancer in terms of socio-economic system. As we already started this conversation with different gurus, so we know that our motto, what about our discussion is. And if I think I am not a person to introduce Pandit Ashim Bandhu Bhattacharya, because his name is very much well known to the whole Kathak world as a soloist, as a choreographer, as a guru, like whatnot. So, and it's very special for me because when I was a student, I was just entering in the field of Kathak. That time, Ashimda, Ramada, they were like the lead Kathak dancers of Kolkata. So we had seen them, especially Ashimda, the choreography. Honestly, I'm speaking like I had no idea about any Kathak choreography because I learned from my guru Srimati Srilekha Mukherjee. It's completely solo-based traditional Kathak. The first time I can remember it was Ashimda's choreography, Om Shakti, if I'm not like mistaking. So from there, I know, yes, Kathak can be a group choreography as well. So অসীমদাকে আজকে আমরা পেয়েছি, তাই আর অসীমদার সম্বন্ধে বলতে গিয়ে it's so special because his upbringing, everything, his family is very special. Because I think it will be better to like hear from like his version, like about his family, his background, like how he took Kathak as his profession, what was his journey, everything. Ashimda, ektu jodi mane we are eagerly waiting for your version.
Thank you so much, Sandeep. This is indeed a great pleasure for me for this event you are going to organize regularly. First of all, I would like to say one thing, that I am a simple student of my art form. I am not a guru, I am nothing, because I am serving for last 45 years at regular practitioners of my art form, being a regular practitioners of my art form. And the thing is, I am very much fortunate because my family, first of all, I have to mention about my family.
Ashima.
My family,
especially
my mother. That time, 50 years back, when my sister is the first Indian women's cricketer. She is a brilliant cricketer of that time, and my elder brother also a cricketer of national level. So from that family, I am dancing and they are playing cricket. It's a very unusual. And my mother was 50 years ahead from her time. So I am very much fortunate. I am very much lucky for that. Still, I believe that the blessing of my mother is with me. You all know, Sandeep.
Yes, and, we all know like how much like enthusiastic like woman she was, and I think for you she remains forever like with your like
energy and everything.
Everything. Yes, we know that. And always like she used to bless everyone. Yes, we know that, and we got that opportunity to be blessed by her. Yes,
exactly. At that time, the social, still now also, the social, I would like to divide our conversation into three different parts. First, of the social type. That time, जो सामाजिक परिस्थिति थे यहाँ का social, that is very important, because I was very much humiliated on that time, because I am walking on the street, somebody says, ওই ছেলেটা নাচ করে, वो तो नाचते हैं, वो तो
যা হয় আর কি, আমাদের সব সময় তো এই কথাগুলো মেল
ladies
ডান্সারদের ছোটবেলায় শুনতে হয়।
So that, but my shelter is my family. My family is so strong, and that's I never felt that that things are very bad. But I think that is ignoring. I ignore those things, and that's why it is my life. I went when I am 7 years old. I went to Bani Vidyabhiti, a dance school at Bhavanipur. That time Pandit Ram Gopal Mishra was there, and I started learning Kathak from there. And then from Srimati Shushmita Mishra for 17 years. I got 17 years training from her, and she is my second mother. She is my second mother. Still, she is.
Yes, we all know that.
Real. Yeah, you know her. And he taught us how to make your spine straight, how to stand like a male dancer, how the attitude, the main thing of a dancer, I believe, the attitude. गुरुमा हम लोग को वही सिखाया, कैसे स्टैंड लाइक ए मेल डांसर. जो चीजें हम लोग को तब मिला था वो आज भी हम लोग को पास लाइक ए प्रेशियस थिंग. बिल्कुल. तो वो वाला ट्रेनिंग्स, एंड आई बिलीव ऑन दैट द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ गुरु, अच्छा गुरु मिलना बहुत भाग्य की बात है. एंड आई एम ब्लेस्ड दैट आई गॉट गुरुमा. And I learned from her the beautiful nuances of Jaipur Gharana style. For 17 years, I got scholarship from her, from Ministry of Culture under her. And then I went to Padatik. You know, that time Pandit Vijay Shankar was there. That's a new dimension of my dance life. That's opened the all spectrum of dance. That in when I was under Guruma, I'm dancing with Chandalai Gati vigorous. But when I see Pandit Vijay Shankar ji, total changes. I got a total spectrum of dancing. The abhinay, the ang, the bhav, the nritya, the total
lyrical part of the
approach of dancing. Approach. And that time, and that's a great blessing for me. And I learned from Guruji long time in Padatik. And you know,
Kathak dance, like Guruji had a immense contribution.
Immense contribution, and also Padatik. Padatik. Padatik is like
because of Padatik, not only Kathak, even Odissi dance and everything, like to the national and international like that
level.
Padatik was the like eye opener.
हम लोग जब स्टूडेंट थे तब सुबह से शाम तक प्रैक्टिस करके गुरुजी के पास सीख के शाम को प्रोग्राम होता था वो लिटिल थिएटर में. क्या प्रोग्राम, सोनाल मान सिंह जी, सितारा दीदी, महाराज जी, कौन वहां पे नहीं किया प्रोग्राम.
वो लिटिल थिएटर भी तो वहां मतलब कोरियोग्राफी करने के लिए आए थे.
I also did one choreography with Kumadini ji, Agni. That was very famous. And many choreographers from the foreign countries came here in Padatik, and we learned many things from Padatik, and also the Shamananda Jalan, the contribution of Shamananda Jalan. So that was a wonderful time, and we are very much blessed. And then I take taking little talim from Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj. Not the dancing, the whole philosophy of life. Whole philosophy. Yes. That is my.
Yes. तो मतलब जब से शुरू हुआ था मतलब एज अ मेल डांसर डेफिनेटली आसपास में लोगों को तो मतलब एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं था, पर घर में पूरा था सपोर्ट. पर स्कूलिंग मतलब स्कूल में जो फ्रेंड्स या टीचर्स, उनका क्या एक्सेप्टेंस था उन लोगों का?
बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट था, क्योंकि हमने अच्छा स्कूल में हमारा एडमिशन हुआ था इन सेंट थॉमस स्कूल. द स्कूल वाज वेरी गुड, एंड द टीचर्स, द फ्रेंड्स, दे आर प्राउड दैट आई एम अ डांसर.
Okay, so it's good. एंड मतलब और फिर जब बाद में आप कब से ये सोचे कि नहीं आई हैव टू टेक कथक और डांस एज माय प्रोफेशन? व्हेन यू डिसाइड?
From the beginning, from 7 years, from the 7 years old, one of my friend asked me, "What do you want to be?" I want to be Uday Shankar. At that time, I know the only name Uday Shankar.
Yes, we know that.
Those are the dream should be from the beginning.
Yes.
Dream should be from
the focus.
And focus, and only focus. And I'm a student of science. I did graduation in science, and then I went to Rabindra Bharati University. That was also very plus point of my life. I learned not only dance there, I learned the theoretical aspects of dancing, and also we saw the various great legendary dancers like Padma Subramaniam ji, Professor Chandrasekhar ji, and the lot Kalanidhi Mammi ji.
Like about Natya Shastriya, about Tagore dance study, everything. In total, yes, one should have to have that much knowledge for any subject. So definitely we are blessed, like we have Rabindra Bharati University here, because in few places we have like a university where fine arts is being there.
Yeah. And not only the faculty, Shondeep, that time the professors who are there, the Dr. Shankarlal Mukherjee, they are all scholars. Dr. Sunil Kothari, they are all scholars, and that was very nice time we had spent here.
अच्छा, तो आपको मतलब क्या याद है कि आपने कब से मतलब या कब वो परफॉर्मेंस कब था जब आप इनको मतलब एज अ प्रोफेशनल मींस डेफिनेटली व्हेनेवर यू आर ऑन स्टेज यू हैव टू बी प्रोफेशनल इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांस, बट लाइक इफ यू आर पेड इट मींस you are like
more responsible.
So when it was, can you remember?
Not exactly remember, but the first performance
was it good? You got some honorarium or as a blessings or whatever like the earnings from through dance.
That was from my Guru Ma.
Yes.
After that is the main thing.
Blessings. And it's a blessings, definitely.
Blessings, and also take Ashim, this is for you. Take as a pocket money. And that is the first thing. And when at that time I realized.
And how old are you that time?
Maybe 15 to 16 years old.
Oh, means not in that level, like you have to earn. So before even starting to think about the earnings, you already into the field.
Yeah. Yes. It is automatically I enter into the world of profession.
Yes. That is very good. Like so, you didn't have to think about like how shall I enter? No, you are already into it.
Automatically.
Yes, that's like a really great thing. Acha, and what do you think? Like when I know it is like you can't make a like milestone like after so many years you can start performing, because it varies from one to another, because somebody can be very talented and like opportunities are there, so he or she may enter very early age, but at the same time, like at least what should be the criteria for someone who can think, yes, I can pursue my career as a dance?
That's totally depends on individual.
Yes.
Because मुझे लगता है कि अगर both of what I am, what I learned from my teacher, and what is my level of knownness, what I know, that is depend. And जहां तक तुम सोचोगे कि हम अभी तो 5 साल सीखने के बाद ही लोग सिखा लेते हैं, बायोडाटा छपा के बोलते हैं मैं गुरु बन गए, मैं सिखा देती, तब हम लोग को सोच भी नहीं था कि हम जब गुरु ने बताया कि अशीम तुम अभी सिखा सकते हो, तुम यू गो फॉर दिस इज, मैं उधर सिखाते थे, अभी मैं नहीं जा पाएंगे, तुम उधर जाओ और मेरे साथ चलो असिस्ट करने के लिए। सो वो धीरे धीरे ऐसे करके एंट्री किया। और ये पता नहीं था कि कब गुरु छोड़ के
हो गया ऑटोमेटिकली,
गुरु छोड़ के चले
you
और
couldn't
अकेला
realize.
अकेला टीचर बन गया। दैट इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग लाइफ ऑफ आवर प्रोफेशन।
तो जैसे कि आप का तो मतलब ग्रुप है आपका, मतलब रेपर्टरी यूनिट
बहुत
है।
बाद में हुआ।
हाँ,
इट्स वेरी
तो
लेटर।
हाँ, तो शुरू में आप जैसे कि यू स्टार्टेड योर करियर एज अ सोलोइस्ट एंड एट द सेम टाइम एज अ रेपर्टरी मेंबर ऑफ पदातिक, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन।
Yeah.
So from
Definitely.
there you had a like certain amount of earnings in a regular basis, and at the same time you can like carry on your passion, through the performance and also working with the great gurus. So
Exactly.
do you think for a student, it is also very necessary to have some something like some support from either by the scholarship or working in a repertory group or whatever, at least then he or she can focus on like
Individual
dance or whatever he or she likes.
Now come the socio is different.
Yes.
Now is
Economic.
the finance. That is very important, not only in my in our country, it is all over the world. Because in our art every part of the world is difficult.
Yes,
to
everywhere in the world artists are suffering.
But शुरू से ये दिमाग में रहना चाहिए कि this is a very uncertain profession.
Yes.
The main is love and passion, and second is the profession.
Yes.
Profession वो बाद में आता है, पहले ये love and passion, इससे ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए profession.
Yes.
तब अगर उसके ऊपर प्रोफेशन चले जाएंगे तो वो लव एंड पैशन चले जाते हैं। The security, the full security, इसीलिए बहुत सारे डांसर्स, I know बहुत सारे डांसर्स स्ट्रगल के लिए डांस को छोड़ना पड़ा, क्योंकि उसको प्रायोरिटी देना पड़ा
प्रोफेशन के लिए, या तो कुछ मतलब फैमिली रिस्पांसिबिलिटी एंड व्हाटएवर।
यस। सो this is for me it is a great blessing that I got support from my family, and in my life there is no regret. My lifestyle in my dance career, it is slowly
आगे बढ़ता गया, मतलब आप सोचे नहीं, मैं वही तो होता है, देख रहा हूँ कि
because मैं love और passion से दूर नहीं था। मुझे इतना नहीं लगा कि मैं मंथ को 50,000 कमाएंगे। मेरे अभी तक मेरे स्कूल का कोई बैनर नहीं है, मेरा स्कूल का कोई फेसबुक नहीं है, तो मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा कि ये ऐसे करके सोचना चाहिए। मुझे सोचना चाहिए मुझे प्रेम से और आनंद से इसको आगे बढ़ाना।
जैसे कि वही तो मतलब मेरे ख्याल से हर एक कलाकार का यही सोच रहता है कि लाइक वी कैन कॉम्प्रोमाइज anything for dance, but not we can't compromise dance for anything.
Exactly. Still now कोई मुझे पूछे कि अगर आपको थिएटर रोड, कलकत्ता का थिएटर रोड में दो तला का बाड़ी दे देंगे या चांदनी रात में ताजमहल में डांस करना है, दो ऑप्शंस, I will choose that second one.
Yes, definitely. As an artist, it's a dream.
Till now. So this is the fanatism of डांस एंड म्यूजिक।
वही पैशन को जिंदा रखना ही तो एक आर्टिस्ट कलाकार की जो मतलब वही कैपिटल है, एक कलाकार की जो कैपिटल है वही है उनका जो चाहत मतलब परफॉर्मेंस के और काम अच्छा करने के लिए। क्योंकि कितना बार तो सब मतलब हम लोग भी देखे हैं, हम सब मतलब कोई वर्कशॉप हो रहा है या तो कोई प्रोग्राम के लिए रिहर्सल हो रहा है, तो कोई खाने के लिए कोई सोचते ही नहीं है हम लोग।
आता है
पूरा सुबह से लेके कब शाम हो गया किसी को पता ही नहीं चला।
और संदीप, ये दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम आवर गुरुज एंड माय मदर्स एंड माय पेरेंट्स दैट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग कोरियोग्राफी, स्टार्टेड माय ग्रुप वर्क, इतना अच्छा मुझे डांसर्स मिला। वो लोग कभी सोचते ही नहीं गुरुजी हमको क्या पैसा देंगे, We are traveling in 3 tiers, sleeper class.
Yes,
Even
yes.
not even confirm reservation. They are sharing each other's. That was the wonderful time. That
Yes.
was one time I had spent with my
No, actually,
group.
yes, yes. Like if some students or some group members are from the beginning of your journey, so they know how difficult it is for you as well
Well,
to for you as well, like for the choreographer or for the like mentor, because like mentor or the choreographer, he or she is also struggling to enter in the field, and they can see. But after
exactly.
certain time, like when like you are established, your group is established, then who comes to work with you, then the mind like might be changed, because
Change.
they are already used to by traveling with, for example, 3AC or 2AC, or even by flight and everything like that, because you work so hard, that's why today you are enjoying these much facilities.
Facilities, exactly, and 2000 में मैंने पहला मेगा कोरियोग्राफी बनाया था
Vasudeva, yes.
वासुदेव, the modern interpretations of Lord Krishna,
Krishna. Yeah,
human
yeah, we have
incarnation.
seen that. We have seen that.
And that time, after the premiere of the show, in my bank there is only 20 rupees. 20 rupees. So, but I was so happy. Oof, Vasudeva, my
Yes.
dream project. And
Yes.
that is.
It was really like everyone's mind is there still.
Then I made a Ghungru. You know Ghungru.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is very famous. I did a
And
100.
Shikhandini as well last.
The name is Moonstruck. Moonstruck
Moonstruck is
was
the
the
last one. Yes, yes.
And I did Shikhandini, Mirza Ghalib, Andaze Ghalib, Ghungru,
Yes.
and one of my favorite choreography was that was not made for Kolkata. I did it for
Yeah, the Jhansi or something for Lucknow Kathak Shansari.
Lucknow,
Yes. I
Kathak
think
Danstan.
Jhansi Ki Rani or something like that.
Vasundhara.
Vasundhara.
That was wonderful. Sarvajana Bhavna, Rani Jhansi ki Amar Kahani,
हाँ
Munshi
ये
Prem,
मैंने सुना था हाँ
मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी की शॉर्ट स्टोरीज से लेकर मैंने किया था वो ईदगाह. That was wonderful choreography. So those are the precious jewels and gems of my.
Yes. The contribution to the art. Yes. I know definitely as a choreographer you have to have that like a vision or that thought for yourself, but for the audience and for the art form. So whatever we get, which is really like remarkable or like great for the art form, so it is for them.
And especially Shandip, Kathak, we consider Kathak is one of the most contemporary classical art dance form due to the continuous improvisation innovation.
Yes.
Continuous improvisation, and as improvisation and due under the background of the socio-economic and political changes, as वो लोग जैसे change होते होते जा रहे थे, हम लोग भी change होते होते जा रहे हैं. अभी भी other form of dancing में जो facilities है, those are all are format dance. एक अढाऊ, जतीश्वरम, एक format है. 7 and 8 item होने के बाद उसको कहते हैं कि वो मरगम.
This is the like
But in Kathak dance, being a regular practitioner of my art form for last 45 years, I can say there is no format. We are yesterday I did one thought, today totally change it. So the format is always
so
changed.
Actually, Kathak is so open in form, and I think in that way, sometimes it is also difficult for someone like if he or she is under a proper guru, proper guidance, then whatever he or she will do as a dancer, it can be within the frame. But sometimes, like if you are not trained in a proper way, proper guidance, then you can do whatever you want. Then you can ask yourself like this is Kathak, but that might not be. So this is also very like like fragile in that sense.
Very fragile and very, because due to the sophistication
Yes.
of this dance form and the aesthetic values are totally different from other form of dancing, and totally depend on the teaching methodology of your guru.
Yes. Yes,
or
of
teacher.
the guru. That's why, like, it's for me. So I always say, like, it's like a language. So you have to have the vocabulary. So if your vocabulary is strong, then you can like make any sentence or like the same feeling you can like express through different sentences.
Due to like permutation combination.
Like but you have to have the vocabulary. That is very important. And that comes from the training.
Yeah, from the resource, from the proper resource person.
Yes. Until and unless someone has that one, so anytime he or she can be out of the boundaries. Because
if you learn for 40 years, but lastly there is at the end of the day, nothing will come out. Otherwise, you got the proper methodology of training, or from your masters or your teachers or your guru, whatever you say.
Yes. And by the way, like I know, like everywhere, most of the time we have like more girl students than a boy. But what is your experience regarding the ratio of the students or the dancers that like those you got during your journey?
Because in our again it will come the socio problem. Because नाच तो मेरा करे, नाच तो लड़की लोग करते हैं, ज्यादा लड़का तो नहीं नाचता है. और लड़का लोग का क्या होता है, as soon as he or he enter into the high secondary
उनका प्रेशर आ जाता है कि
by family, you have to choose, you have to be a doctor or engineer or CA or whatever, whatever from where you can earn money. That's why earn money. That's why the male dancers or male boy students are coming lower ratio.
वही तो समझ का ही, क्योंकि जैसे कि आपका फैमिली को देख के तो मेरे ख्याल से इट्स एन एग्जांपल फॉर द सोसाइटी. लाइक आपकी मम्मी जो माता जी, उन्होंने लड़की को क्रिकेट सिखाया,
cricket, yeah.
In the same group. And end of the no, I am coming to that point. And end of the day, both are successful. Both are like living their life with a dignity and with their passion, and happily they are living their life. So that
passion and profession दोनों एक साथ मिलके.
तो ये तो मतलब ये एग्जाम्पल है.
I would like to give one example. एक बड़ा सा रूम में एक ही मिरर के पीछे मैं नादिनीना कर रहा हूँ और सामने मेरा सिस्टर्स शैडो कर रहे हैं बैटली. That is a very interesting. मैं जब लिखेंगे मेरा ऑटोबायोग्राफी or anything, if I would like write, then I should mention.
These are the things like that we should like accept. Yeah. Like this can be. Because most of the time we can't accept anything which is unusual, because we have a doubt about the future. But if this is the future that you like achieved, both of you, either your sister or you, so you achieved like yes, you are equally like capable like any other like citizen in the country.
Yeah.
So I think
and the potentiality of doing those things depends on parents. Parents will judge. Yes, he or she will vote this that much. That is also very important.
Yes.
Parents लोग सोचेंगे जे हाँ ये जाएंगे, इतना दूर तक जा सकते हैं.
और जैसे कि क्या होता है कि लोग जब बचपन में पढ़ाई में डाल देते हैं तो तब नहीं सोचता है कि इनके द्वारा मतलब ये डॉक्टर बनेगा कि ये इंजीनियर बनेगा कि ये चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनेगा, ये सोच के नहीं पढ़ाई में डालते हैं. पर जब डांस या गाने सिखाने के लिए भेजते हैं तो उनका दिमाग में ये रहता है कि ये तो जरूर मतलब ये अगर होगा तभी सीखेगा. मतलब ये मेंटल ब्लॉकेज है.
blockage नहीं, वो तो extra curricular activity, still we are in the extra curricular activity.
Extracurricular, yes, extracurriculum. I mean, it's not in the main field.
You see now, in the lockdown, nobody care about us. Nobody care. So we are not in the mainstream. We are as an entertainer.
But it's very funny. Like when like there is something to present, then we are there. We are
come.
Call. Yes. We have been invited to present something whenever it is an auspicious thing, or we need to represent like our culture or whatever. So, but when we are in need, so we really need the support from like for whom we do like perform, and we support it like to present something nicely. So it should be vice versa, na?
Exactly, reciprocal.
It should be. And ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम का मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि ये लॉकडाउन का चलছে
this situation is new situations for us. We never faced before. This is first time we are facing. So there are many components. We should divide each other. That first is the financial problem. Secondly is the main thing is डर के मारे हम लोग घर से निकलते तो डरते हैं, घर से बाहर होते तो डरते हैं. तो ये सब सोचकर, ये सब दिमाग में रखकर हम लोग का डांस और म्यूजिक और आर्ट को जीवित रखना है. It is very difficult, but still we positive. We should do.
क्योंकि वही सबसे बातें करते हुए एक ही मतलब सब बोल रहे थे कि ये जो ऑनलाइन अभी चालू हुआ, चाहे वो परफॉर्मेंस हो या तो ट्रेनिंग हो, जो भी है ये तो हो रहा है, पर एक टाइम तक हो सकता है ये ठीक है, क्योंकि पर ये अगर फ्यूचर हो जाएगा तो मतलब इसका क्या होगा तो हम किसी को भी पता नहीं. पर ये होना नहीं चाहिए. हम सब प्रे करते हैं कि जल्दी जल्दी ये सब.
Even I don't like doing online class. Online class मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. राइट बोलो तो लेफ्ट करते हैं, लेफ्ट बोलो तो राइट करते हैं. बाप रे बाप, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. I don't like those things. तो लेकिन फिर भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि हम लोग को लगता है कि अगर उन लोग के इंटरेस्ट चले जाएंगे तो that is.
फिर भी ऑनलाइन क्लास जैसे कि अगर 1-to-1 है तो फिर भी सही है, पर ग्रुप क्लास तो वेरी डिफिकल्ट. डेफिनेटली ग्रुप क्लास इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
But I am very positive person. I am always think that the new hope, new rays, new life will come, the new world, and we will do again everything in normal way. We will do in very it will come, and just pray for the hope. And our जितना महाराज जी की एक बात है कि समुद्र की लहरें की जैसे वो कभी खत्म नहीं होता. कितना झड़ आए, कितना वो तो चलता रहा. ये आर्ट एंड कल्चर्स विल गो एंड गो एंड गो एंड ये सीमित हो जाएगा एकदम. बट द डीप विल ऑलवेज देयर इज अ लैम्प. सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द न्यू होप.
So any suggestions for the upcoming dancers, irrespectively male or female? Because I initially started this like discussion like focusing on the male dancers, because being a male dancer, I thought not only a dancer, for any male, like after certain time it is very important to earn something in our society. In our society, because definitely with due respect to each and everyone, if you are in need, so you have to earn, whether you are like a 13 or 14 years boy or girl, or like 50 years, whatever your age, if you are in need, you have to. But in general, after like your like education, like one should like start thinking about like how to manage finance and what will be his contribution to his family. So these things comes automatically. That's why I had chosen this context.
But nowadays the
everyone is same. Everyone is same.
Established, they are also supporting families.
Even sometimes they are more established or more responsible. Yes, that's true. But like that's why most of the time I tried to keep the discussion in general, because like it will be the benefit for all the dancers who are suffering or who wants to like enter in this field, so how they can like prepare themselves to be fit for this profession. So what is your suggestion for the younger generation who are upcoming?
From the beginning, the only one suggestions I am always insist every young dancers and musicians also, more sahitya chahiye, need more literature, ये पढ़ाई होना चाहिए. The illiterate dancer, एक dancers बहुत अच्छा डांस करते हैं लेकिन उसको कुछ नहीं जानते हैं साहित्य के बारे में, तो I not recognize him or he or she is a good dancer. ये स्टेज पे जाके फुलिश होके डांस करना, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं.
तो एक तो थॉट चाहिए, डेफिनेटली
थॉट चाहिए. साहित्य से हम लोग बहुत दूर है. We don't know, especially the Kathak dancers, not aware of Natya Shastra, not aware of Abhinay Darpan, not aware of any Ramayana, Mahabharata, nothing. They don't know. Even I'm going to any workshop, if I'm asking who is he, who was the Arjuna and who was the Parashurama. Parashurama may be the father of Shah Rukh Khan, like this. So Chondi is very crucial time. Now the lockdown.
I think they never can come into the mainstream if they are like that.
Yes, so, they're floating. They are floating like this.
Yeah. And like because see, like I was thinking, I don't know whether you are agree with me, like preparing yourself for some job or for some like exam, like for example school service commission, to bank, whatever. If you are preparing yourself, so you can't claim yourself as an employee of that particular zone, like particular office. But for dance, like sometime like we are the practitioner, everyone is practitioner, but at the same time, until and unless you have the proper training and your thought, like whatever you are saying, like your knowledge about Sahitya, to technical part or presentation, whatever, so you are not complete. No one can be complete. Like that is another level. But
you have to attempt. You have to attempt those things.
Yes. So then many a time, like we started considering ourselves as a dancer. So when we have some problem, then we blame to the art form. But it is not like that, because
not at all.
We couldn't enter in a proper way. We are trying to enter.
एंड ये कंपलसरी होना चाहिए हर इंस्टीट्यूट में, और टीचर्स लोगों को भी ये सोचना चाहिए कि अगर हम एक कथक डांसर बनाए और एक डांसर में एज बीइंग ए डांसर मैं ये बताते हैं उसके टेक्निकल पार्ट के साथ साथ थियोरेटिकल पार्ट को भी स्ट्रॉन्ग करना, उसके साथ साथ व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस लॉजिकली एनालिसिस, this is very important nowadays
for his or her future. Yes.
अगर आप इंडिया में जाए तो अगर आपको कुछ पूछे तो शास्त्र के बारे में, we are saying that Kathak dancers are also the followers of Natya Shastras and Abhinay Darpan. If somebody will ask, we are just smile and.
No, actually, like as much I have studied like Natya Shastra, Abhinay Darpan, and I think in Natya Shastra everything is covered. Like so,
everything.
Whatever you will do, so in Kathak also it is there, but we just need to connect. We need to connect with Natya Shastra, like whatever we are doing, because in Natya Shastra or Abhinay Darpan, mostly the whole, like the art forms, all the art forms is being covered, and so we need to connect. We need to connect.
Kathak में सब छुपे हुए हैं, अंदर में छुपे हुए
कथक वो है, कथक में है, but now it's time to connect ourselves with the theory, with the like shastra.
Unveil it and analysis each and every part of this. That's very important nowadays.
Yes. So thank you. আচ্ছা, যাওয়ার আগে যা ইচ্ছে মানে একটা কোনো কিছু anything you want, like it may be any poem or it may be any tukra or any like song, whatever you want, like anything.
দাঁড়া কিছু প্রিপেয়ার করি। আচ্ছা আমি একটু এটা ইয়ে করি
একটু
না, আমি একটা কাজ করি আজকে। You know, yesterday very I'm very much upset with for that
what
news.
happened? Yes.
मुझे लगता है I will say one thing যে রবীন্দ্রনাথকে পড়তে হবে। হিন্দিতে পড়ো, বাংলায় পড়ো, গীতাঞ্জলি পড়ো, রবীন্দ্রনাথ পড়লে একটা পজিটিভ ভাইবস পাওয়া যায়। সেই জন্যই বলছি যে বসিয়া আছো কেন আপন মনে, স্বার্থ নিমগ্ন কি কারণ, চারিদিকে দেখো চাহি হৃদয় প্রসারী, ক্ষুব্ধ দুঃখ সব তুচ্ছ মাটি। সেই আমাদের এই ক্ষুদ্র দুঃখ সবকিছু ত্যাগ করে একবার ওপেন বিশাল করে তাকাও, একটা বিশাল করে তাকাও, তাকিয়ে দেখো, সামনে দেখো, পেছনে দেখো, চারিদিকে শুধু তাকিয়ে দেখো, দেখবে দেয়ার ইজ আ হোপ, দেয়ার ইজ ওয়ান পজিটিভ ভাইব্রেশন।
আনন্দ যজ্ঞে আমার নিমন্ত্রণ।
ধন্য হলো মানব জীবন। এই মানব জীবনকে নষ্ট করার অধিকার আমাদের নেই। অনেক কষ্ট করে এই মানব জন্ম পাই মানুষ, সেই জন্যই মানব জন্মকে সুন্দর করে ব্লেসড করে রাখতে হবে। অতি ক্ষুদ্র পাও কিন্তু তার মধ্যে আনন্দময়। নমস্কার।